Tinutukoy mo ba dito? Yes or no ay si Alex Gonzaga?
Yes, it was Alex Gonzaga. But let me explain that that happened 12 years ago. We were doing a teleserye then, and it didn't come naman without reason. I mean, we were working together. Kaya lang kasi it didn't only happen once. It happened once, twice, thrice. So, hindi lang naman ako. There were other co-workers who were also getting irked about yung working habit niya or you know, the way she was working with us. So, napag-usapan na akong spokesperson. Sabi ko,
Napag-usapan ng cast? Ng grupo?
Gabi tuloy. Yeah, well, anyway, nabanggit ko na. Gabi, Gabi, Cheska Inigo, si Nadine Lustre. We were all together and nobody had the strength or the audacity to come up to her and talk to her. So, okay, akong magiging spokesperson. So, hindi rin totoo na pinagsigawan ko na ulo hanggang paa kasi yung setting namin, nasa may simbahan. There was a chapel there. It was somewhere in Antipolo, may chapel. And then may parang rotonda dito. So, that morning, late na naman siya. So, nagpipigil na kami noon. Parang, umuusok na lahat sila. I'm gonna walk out of this set. If you don't tell her off, ganyan, you better tell her off, di ko na kaya, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. So, ako ba? O sige, ako lang naman ang may lakas ng loob. So anyway, wala pa akong sinabi, ganyan, ganyan. Hanggang sa, lunch break, umalis na naman siya. Pag alis niya, pagbalik niya, basa yung buhok, walang makeup. So we had to wait na naman for another 3 hours bago makapag-take. Syempre, kumukulo na yung dugo ng lahat. Ako naman, sabi ko, kasi may eksena siya, dapat iiyak siya. Parang mami niya ako noon, hindi siya makaiyak. O sabi ko, Alex, you know why you cannot cry? It's because you're not in touch with your emotions. You're very indifferent to your co-workers. You know, honestly, I want to talk to you. Kasi, you know, we don't like what you're doing, that you're always late. Marami akong ganap ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Sabi ko, wait a minute. I'm trying to talk to you. Hindi, kasi hindi niyo nakikita yung side ko. Tapos, sabi ko, hindi pa pinapanganak ang babasto sa akin, Alex. Please, kinakausap kita ng maayos. If you wanna stay long in this business, you cannot last kung ganyan ang attitude mo. Na palagi kang late, dito ka pa maliligo sa set, and you know, you cannot even memorize your lines, hindi ka makaiyak. Hindi nagagalit siya kay Nadine kung nauunang umiyak si Nadine. Eksena niya daw yun. Anyway, long and short of it, sabi ko, I'm not talking to you like this because I want to put you down. I want you to succeed in your career. I want you to be great. Kasi siya yung banner star ng Channel 5. Okay, sige, I get that. But, sabi ko, granting na galing ka sa trabaho. Sabi niya, hindi naman ako galing sa bahay, galing ako sa trabaho. Kasi marami akong booking, alam ng mami ko yan. Gusto mo, kausapin mo pa yung mami ko. Sabi ko, kahit kausapin ko yung mami mo, the thing is, you made a commitment to come to this taping. You have to come early. It didn't only happen once. Twice, ang dami ng beses. Nakakapagod na rin. Sabi ko, kung gusto mo magtagal sa industriya, hindi ganyan yung ugali, Alex. I hope you understand.
Okay. How did it end, Dina?
Wala ang ending, nag-iyakan kami, and then okay na. So, kumbaga, naiyak din ako because nagsalita ako because I had to spill my heart out.
Okay, alright.
Kasi pagod na rin ako.
So you parted okay?
Okay kami. Nagkataon lang nung yung press con, may nagtanong sa akin, meron na bang artistang nag-primadonna sa'yo?
Okay.
Oo, sabi ko marami. And then sinabi na hindi, balita namin. Totoo ba yun? Nakagalita mo si Alex Gonzaga, ganyan-ganyan. Ay, naku, sabi ko, wag na natin pag-usapan yun, matagal na yun. Hindi, nabalitaan namin yun.
So it wasn't that press conference?
Yes, marami siyang ganap. But this is your responsibility to your co-workers.
Dina, nasaan ngayon ang inyong relasyon? Where are you in the context
Hindi ako galit kay Alex. Ito pa, I even guested in her show. Okay na siya, nag-last day taping pa kami. Masaya kami.
Okay.
She even hosted it. Nagbibiroan kami natin. Hindi
So
na ako
hindi
galit sa
ka
kanya.
galit?
Hindi ako
You're
galit sa
open to
kanya.
talking to Alex? You didn't feel alluded doon sa kanyang
kasi
podcast?
Yung mga taong nagsasabi, sagutin mo na, ang bastos, tinawag kang matanda. Actually,
And your position is?
hindi ako na-offend na tinawag akong matanda. It's true. Matanda na ako, I'm 61. But I'd like to see people at 61 if they're still looking fresh.
Alex, walang problema si Dina. Ang Fast Talk with Boy Abunda ay bukas sa panig ng iyong kwento para mabuo natin ito, para matuldukan. Sabi nga ni Ms. Bo, this has been lingering for a long, long time.
Yes.
Wala naman. She's not angry. I mean, she just did that narrative in answer to a question in a press conference. Maraming salamat.
Yeah, and then yung cake issue naman na yun, sabi na,
Okay.
bakit nag-post? Actually, si Estrudang nag-post.
Okay.
Kasi that time, di ba, nandun na yung cake, tapos, ganun yung mga tao. Parang
Alright.
nanunok. Tapos sabi ko, yung waiter, natatakot na siya. Sabi ko, no, I won't put cake on your face.
Alright.
But not, to do something. Parang joke na lang. Sige, i-post mo na. It was a joke.
Okay, all right. I get
But I
that.
didn't intend to hurt. If I hurt Alex's feelings because na-post yun, sorry, pero it was a joke. It was, wala, we were just having fun.